With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? In a simple microscope, if the final image is located at 25 centimeter from the eye placed close to the lens, we need to find the magnifying power. Okay, so if we draw our lens, let's say this is our lens. Okay, so this would be our objective lens and this would be our eye lens. Okay, now where would be the this is, let's say, our principal axis. Now where would be the image formed? So this would be the eye which would be placed and image would be formed here. Okay, now this is the distance which has been given to us, which value is 25 centimeter. So straight away what we can say that our magnifying power is, in the case of the simple microscope, it is 1 plus d over f. So straight away we can say that 1 plus d value is 25 divided by f. So the correct answer would be our B option. Now if we approach this, how do we solve this question? So we can say that what is the lens formula? So lens formula is 1 divided by f. This would be equals to 1 by v, then minus 1 by u. Now for this case, object would be on the left side. So if we measure the distance, we will be measuring opposite to the direction of the incident ray. So u would be negative. U would be negative. And what would be v? V is minus 25, but v is also on the left side and it would be opposite to the direction of the incident ray. So it would be, again, it would be minus 25. So we put the values in this expression. So we can say that 1 by f, this would be equals to minus 1 by 25. Then minus of minus would be positive, plus 1 divided by u. Okay, now if you multiply this with 25 on both the sides, so it would be 25 divided by f. This would be equals to minus 1 plus 25 divided by u. Okay, or we can say that 25 divided by u, this would be equals to 1 plus, we take it to the other side, 25 divided by f. Now what is the magnifying power for a lens? M is equals to this v upon u. It is the ratio of v upon u. Now v value we know it is 25, so it would be 25 divided by u. Okay, it is so this value would be negative, this would also be negative, so negative would be positive, and this we know it is 1 plus 25 divided by f, so which we have obtained. So the correct option which we should remember directly would be this formula. Okay, so B would be the correct option. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.